it can be so easy to get the hard work done. So I don't want you to miss out on this because where I'm at right now just feels so sick just because of all the stuff that I'm able to do in a day. And the first thing which helps me a lot is just thinking about the future. So I like to visualize, think about, imagine if it was real, the moment where I realize that I kind of made it in life. A point where I'll be super happy, like a 5 second moment. What's a moment of success that can be defined in 5 seconds? Whether that's driving in your dream car, living at a mountain scenery near a lake, paying for a whole restaurant meal and for someone else. Like that, for an example. That's a 5 second moment. So just think about a moment like that. It's nice, right? Just thinking of a cool moment like that. And you're in that moment. That life that you're dreaming of, it's you. So just having that already manifested in you, it feels so hype. You can literally live the life that you actually want.
I am so hyped, literally typing the script, just thinking about how cool this video can be.
Think of all the opportunities that you can do, the places you can be, the money you can spend on things, the people you can be around. It would be so amazing. Now, think of the opposite. What would happen if you don't do the hard work, the work you don't want to do, that you think is too scary, that you think will take too much effort? Think of what life you would live by doing that. If you scrolled a lot more than you wanted to, you did a lot of things that you honestly know that aren't the right things. Just think about what life that would be compared to the one that you actually want. Think about it. And now that you can think about it, think about what's the difference between those two people? What different actions would I have to do to be that person that I actually want, or the one that I'm being right now? So think about the difference between those two things. And when I did this 1 or 2 years ago, thinking about who I wanted to be and kind of being in that moment right now, it doesn't, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, honestly. The main thing is really just staying consistent in it and trying to do something to work towards that goal every single day. It probably only took 30 minutes, an hour of just focusing on that thing, doing it every day. And that's the mindset that I had when I was starting out. I would just try to do it for 30 minutes and see what I can do. And it became so addicting that I would rather work hard and get that life that I actually wanted instead of living the life that I was forcing myself to go into. Losing so many opportunities, taking so many L's. So I'm going to try to help you get that 30 minutes or an hour of work done almost every single day. You don't even need to do it every single day, but I'm going to try to make you do that good moment of productivity frequently, so you see results, you get rewarded from it, and it becomes as addicting as scrolling. I don't know why I did that, but the first thing which helped me a lot was boring myself to death, literally. I would not go on my phone. I would not play games. I would not eat food that tasted good, I would honestly be so bored that the most fun I can have is literally by going to the gym or working out. For me, the main work was growing this channel. If you like the environment so far, consider subscribing. But I made it so the funnest thing I can do is talk to you right now, which it's pretty fun. But also, editing a video, scripting a video, coming up with an idea. Those things became so fun. I just cut the noise, cut all the distractions from my environment, and actually focused just for an hour on trying to push towards a goal of having a channel. It might sound boring, but if you just do that for an hour, will it be worth it if you could just live that life that you actually wanted to live? Just keep thinking about it. Keep visualizing that life every single day, every day when you wake up, when you go to sleep, during the day. And I promise you, you might not even need discipline. You'll just be so motivated by that. And you can see yourself making that dream a reality. But you can also make it a lot easier by changing the mindset that you have about doing the hard work. Just think to yourself, what can I do to make this interesting? What can I do why am I not enjoying this? Maybe I should do something else. Maybe I should try another thing. When I'm going on runs or anything like that, I like to go with my friends. I've been going on runs and walks with my friend, and it's so sick. I've been planning the routes that I want to run. I get extra motivation from it too, because if I record myself running, if I take a cool picture while I'm doing my run, finding cool things which can make the task that I want to do a lot easier. It makes it a ton more interesting just by thinking of those two little things. And there isn't honestly a lot I could say. I mean, there is a lot more I could say, but it's what you need. I wish I could have heard, because if I just heard, try to stop scrolling all the freaking time and stop eating trash, stop playing games all the time, lock in and try to make it interesting and have a positive mindset about it, I would have progressed so much faster. So if you could just think about those two things and visualizing, it'll help you so much. It helped me a ton to get to where I'm at right now. My favorite part about all of this is that you can see the results. Maybe you're not at your dream stage yet, but you can honestly see that you're getting closer to it. Instead of playing video games on my computer, leveling up, getting V-Bucks, now that I can actually do it in real life, build my character, unlock new skins in real life, like all those little cool things about Fortnite, just doing them in real life now, it's makes it so fun. Like for some more specific things, like going to the gym, and now that I can see the veins on my bicep coming in, it honestly just makes me want to work out 10 times more. Now that I can bench press a plate on each side for reps, when a year ago I could not even do one, it feels amazing. I want to do it 10 times more. When you see those little wins, don't think of it as, oh, I wish I could be doing more. I wish it was like this instead. Use those wins and just what you have in general, honestly, to make you a better person and into that dream life that you want. When I've been playing sports and I make a really cool play and I'm gassed about it for days, that just makes me want to play sports even more. When I have a video that does well, when I see a comment that is really cool, that just makes me want to make videos more. I really hope you can think about this. This is how I made it really easy for me to do the hard work. And it's not even hard work, it's just fun work. Watch this video for more. Hope you enjoy this video and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Peace.